Hey, it's Connor here from John the Plumber. Today we ripping all the copper water lines out of this home. We were replacing it all with new PEX piping. We started in the basement, worked our way up to the main floor and then the top floor, and we installed a couple new frost-free hose bibs and a new bathtub for them.
There's a lot to do today, so the John the Plumber crew scopes the job, maps the pipes, and unloads the gear. Step 1, remove all the old copper lines from the basement, main floor, and the upstairs bathroom. While part of the team handles the removal, another plumber installs new shutoff valves on the water meter, swapping out the old ones and soldering the new ones into place. With the copper gone, it's time to install the new PEX lines. You might be wondering, what is PEX, and why replace your copper pipes with it? PEX stands for cross-linked polyethylene. The piping is strong, temperature resistant, and flexible. It's the most commonly used piping material in most modern residential and commercial plumbing systems. Though copper pipes may have a longer lifespan, they don't resist freezing temperatures well, are difficult to install, and are overall more expensive. PEX pipes are flexible, require fewer fittings, which reduce potential leak points, are freeze resistant, and corrosion proof. They're a quieter plumbing system and have a pretty long lifespan. PEX is typically more cost efficient and easier to install into older homes and faster to retrofit. The team then cuts and presses the PEX lines, running them through where the old copper pipes used to be. Everything is measured, aligned, and securely connected. They work their way up from the basement to the kitchen to the bathroom upstairs, installing fresh lines along the way. Once that's done, they unbox the new tub. Once the tub's been unboxed and inspected for any damages, they bring the tub upstairs. Phew, that looks heavy. Once the tub's inside, they pipe in the new drain and overflow lines, mix the cement, and place the tub, making sure it's all level. Next comes the shower line. While that's being done, another team member is installing ABS drain pipes and toilet flanges in the bathrooms. Shutoffs are next. These are installed anywhere in the home that water is directed to, like your bathroom sink, kitchen sink, or toilet. Psst, hey, here's a hot tip. If you don't know where your shutoffs are, now's the time to check. Having shutoffs in high-use areas can prevent major water damage in an emergency. With the install complete, the crew tests for leaks and checks all fittings. No leaks, no problem. We clean up and leave your space spotless, with plumbing that works like a charm. Need new PEX lines? Or looking to replace some old copper, lead, or poly pipes? Call John the Plumber. Our licensed and insured team will inspect your home, provide a transparent quote, and if you go ahead with the job, your quote is free. Call us at 613-227-7465 or visit johntheplumber.ca for fast, friendly services from Ottawa's top-rated plumbing pros.